2013 Toyota Tundra 4WD truck. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It strikes the perfect balance of fun and function while offering multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, pass-through rear seat, brake assist, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights, traction control, cruise control. This is a top-rated dealer. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!